Okay, let's talk about evaluating. So let's check the example. If we have this one, how can we do it? Since for the numerator part, we already know anything or any number times 0 will get 0. So it will be 0 over 2. We will also get 0. Let's check another one. So first we should do the multiplication, right? From left to right. So this part, negative times negative, we will get positive. 4 times 11, we will get 44. After that, we still need to do the multiplication. This time is positive 5 times negative 2. We will get negative number. 5 times 2 will get negative 10. After that, we realize minus a negative number, just like plus a positive number. So 54 is the answer. Let's try to do this. 2 negative plus 20 plus 4. So we can do the denominator. We should do the exponential expression first, so it will be negative 3 times negative 3. We will get positive 9 minus 20. Okay, this part, the absolute value of negative 5 is just 5, so 5 plus 4. So this part, we do the multiplication. 2 times 8. 2 times 9, we will get 18 minus 20 and 9. So we can do it. It's just like 18 plus negative 20, right? It's just like 18 plus the opposite of 20. It's negative 20. So for this kind of problem, remember we learned the rule. These two numbers with different sign, but negative number with the greater absolute value. So our answer will be negative. Then try to find the difference between two absolute value, 20 and 18. It will be 2. So negative 2. So the final answer, we can put the negative sign here. Negative 2 over 9. Okay. So next one, we can check the solution. We have an equation x over 4 minus 3 equals x plus 3. And we want to determine if negative 8 is our solution, yes or no. So we always follow the same step. Use numbers to replace the letters. So for the first one, we use negative 8 to replace x. Then we start with the left side first. Negative 8 divided by 4. So negative positive 4, our answer will be negative 2. Minus 3 equals negative 8 plus 3. So we will get negative 5. Let's check left side. We will also get negative 5. Now we check the last statement. If it's true or false, we get to the conclusion. It is true. So we will say negative 8 is the solution. is the solution. If it's true, then that number is the solution. If it's false for the last statement, if left side is not equal to the right side, then we will say that number is not the solution. Okay, so next objective is try to work on some application problems. Let's just check the example. In your textbook, a professional golfer finishes 7 strokes under par for each of 3 days. So -7 for each of 3 days of a tournament. So -7. The example is on page 58. Okay, example 18. So -7 for each of 3 days, which means we should do the -3 times -7. So we only need to do the multiplication. Positive times negative, so our answer will be -21. And the question is the total score. Okay, if got -3 for 3 of days, so for each of 3 days, then the total score will be 3 times -7. So it's -21. Alright. We can check another one. So if a car player had a score of -13 for each of 4 games, find the total score. Find the total score. So -3 for each of 4 games. So 4 times -13. So we will get -52 is our answer. Okay, that's all for 1.6.